In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to land bigger accounts. So this is for if you have a storefront window cleaning business. Now I have a storefront window cleaning business that I've had for a year and a half. And I've had many clients. I've had small clients, I still do, and bigger clients. And with storefront window cleaning, it is a better investment of your time to try to land bigger accounts. Now, bigger accounts are going to include restaurant chains, gyms, and dance studios and dentist offices. In my experience, these are going to be bigger accounts that pay more per cleaning than, say, a nail salon or a coffee shop or dry cleaners. These tend to be smaller paying accounts, but and they're still good to have. You should still, especially when you're getting started, focus on acquiring accounts. Just get anybody when you're getting started. But once you start landing bigger accounts, you'll see that it is a better investment of your time and energy to put in effort to acquire the bigger accounts. Now, to acquire these bigger accounts, most likely you are going to need insurance. Now, this is good to have. If you have a business, a window cleaning business, storefront, you should have general liability insurance. Now, this is very affordable. You can get this. I pay $50 a month, and you get your certificate of insurance that you can send to prospects and let them know, hey, we are insured, so that they feel safe, that they feel comfortable hiring you because you are a professional, you have insurance. And that's a big thing, is having insurance. Not always needed. Sometimes businesses won't ask, but it is good to have. And it's also good to articulate when you are pitching businesses. You let them know, hey, we are insured, we have general liability. That is a big thing, because you want that. Even if they ask, you want to know that you have it and that you can show it to them. So bigger accounts. Now, I like to go after chains. These are going to be, think Chipotle, think Chick-fil-A, think steakhouses, Chili's, Outback Steakhouse. These bigger restaurant chains, in my experience, are great clients to go after, to acquire as clients. The reason why is because if you land just one and you do a really good job, you do your absolute best job, you make sure that your service is exceptional, the windows are beautiful, your service is impeccable, your conduct is professional, you look clean, you look like a professional, then they are going to have, they're going to want to refer you to more of their locations. So with franchise businesses, a lot of the time, they have a regional manager. So if you do a really good job at one location, this happened to me. I did a really good job at cleaning a Chipotle, and the manager was very happy with the service that she referred me to 8 other locations. Now, that is an instance, that is a situation that you want to happen. You want to do one job that leads to you getting 8 more jobs. That is how you grow your route substantially over only going after smaller accounts, $40, $50, and that's all you do. If you do that, that's good to do. Just fill up your calendar. It's still good to have, but go after the bigger fish, the restaurants, the dance studios, the dentist offices. These are going to be businesses that you do a good job, they can refer you to multiple locations, and these are going to be higher ticket jobs. So that is key. Go after those franchise businesses. That is going to be a faster way to grow your route. And again, you have to be professional to land these jobs. You have to look, you got to have a uniform. Like I got a uniform, I don't have it on me, but I got my company logo, I got my services on the back, the phone number, wear nice pants, wear boots or whatever, have a flyer. Be professional. These businesses don't just hire anybody. You have to look like a professional at what you do and conduct yourself like a professional. And when you pitch these businesses, after you pitch them, you should follow up with them with a systematically. So every 7 days, every 14 days, you follow up and you basically just check in on them. Let them know, hey, I dropped off a flyer. I spoke to the manager. We'd love to take care of your window cleaning for your establishment. Be consistent. Follow up these businesses because these are the businesses that you want to have. These are the better paying, bigger accounts. So, yeah, basically, that is my message. This is how you land bigger accounts, and this is why bigger accounts are worth more of your energy to focus on acquiring. Okay? Don't stay stuck at only acquiring small little accounts. Go after the bigger ones and you will grow faster. You'll make more money and you won't have to drive around as much too. Because the thing with little jobs, if you get a little job here, you get a little job here, you get a little job here, you're driving all around for smaller amounts. Now that's okay when you're starting, but at a certain point, you want each stop to be a higher ticket. And to do that, you got to go after them. So that's the video. If you guys found the video helpful or valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you want to learn how to build out a storefront window cleaning route, all the systems on what gear you need, how to pitch, how to handle objections, how to build out a route, how to sell recurring services, you want all this in a system that you can learn and immediately implement and build your own. Check out the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint in the description and the pinned comment, and you'll get access to that. So peace out, guys. See you in the next one.